Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Crosshair X with the Crosshair V2, like what are the main differences and which one is better for what. So Crosshair X is a newer feature-rich paid app with extensive customization. You have like a lot of design tools and pro players profiles, while Crosshair V2 is its free predecessor, offering kind of like the basic preset Crosshair, often acting as a simple entry point by potentially adding a slight input delay. So primarily like these things, like you can like check out for yourself both of these, which one you like the most. As you can see, like a lot of crosshairs that you can actually use, but don't be like someone that I know, like many people that are constantly changing the crosshairs for no reason because they think it's going to make their aim better. Like just like practice your aim if you want to get better, you know. But that's pretty much it for both. I mean, like they're both alright. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.